Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to make and display a clock inside React.js, analog clock. So you can see it will display the current time in a nice little animated structure. So we have a physical clock right here, you'll see, which is displaying in the browser, which has this minute. So it's a full-fledged clock which is displaying, and it is animating and displaying the current time, which is 8:30 in the morning. So you will see, so in this way you can display it if you want to, using a package. If you go to npmjs.com and just search for this package React clock, so this is actually the package that I'm using right here. I've already installed it. This is actually the command, and it's almost got 81,000 weekly downloads. So now to use this, first of all you make a simple functional component, and then you simply use the import statement to import the module. So we simply write import clock, and it will be coming from the React clock package. So it's almost 20 kilobytes, it's a size here. So it also needs to import the CSS file as well. This package React clock, it is present in the dist folder, and then we have the clock.css. So it's almost 700 bytes, a custom CSS for the clock to display. And now we come to the application. Let me declare a simple state variable for the time. So the current time it will show. So we will take the new date constructor, which returns the date and the time. So whenever this application executes and render it, so this use effect hook will execute, and here we will calculate using the set interval function, and here we will call this set time function and pass it the new date constructor. And then after 1000 millisecond, which is essentially after 1 second, it will automatically update. So this is actually, we have written a simple interval function, and we'll be returning this and calling clear interval and passing interval right here. So what this function does, it actually returns the current time after 1 second. So it will execute after 1 second automatically. So now we come to the JSX where you need to display the clock. So I will just display it right in the center position. So I will say text align to center, and I will just give it a padding of 20 pixel, and we'll have an h1 here which will say React clock demo, and then we embed this clock interface, this component. So if you pass no option, just pass, you will see this, the clock is not moving. You need to pass some options, the current time, which takes the value. Now if you pass, you will now see the current time is displaying, but you can't see the numbers appearing. For the numbers, you can even adjust the size of the clock, providing a size property which takes integer values. Let me pass 300, so now the clock is bigger. And if you want to style this clock, you can even give it a custom class as well. You can define custom styles in the CSS file and just give it a custom class, right? Say custom clock. And then you can control the local information. I will pass here English and US, which is a language of the clock, which is used for formatting purposes. And then we have a series of options. If you want to render the hour mark, then you will pass it to true. So now what it does, it actually renders the second hand and the numbers. If you want the numbers here, you will put here render numbers to be true. So now if you see in the clock, numbers, physical numbers from 1 to 12 will display. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So exactly what you see the current time. And if you also want the render minute hand, you will put it to true. render second hand. All these options are available. Let's suppose if I don't want the overclock, I can change from true to false. So in this way. So in this way, we will have all these options available to us. So you can control the width as well, length of the hand of the clock. So at last it will look something like this. So this is a great way to display a custom physical analog clock inside your React.js application using this package. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.